Hi everybody, my name is Dave Nelson. We're going to do a lock demonstration video here. And I hate this lock. I just have to admit it. Depending upon your situation, if the weather stripping on your door pushes a little bit, this is one of those motorized or automated locks, so that when you hit the lock button, it automatically throws the bolt. If there's any resistance, I think this is oh, cool. So if there's any resistance, like if you're trying to lock it and you're outside and there's a little bit of resistance, the lock will default as an error. Let's see. That is the code. Come on outside for just a second. I'll show you the problem with this thing here. So typically you just want to pull it closed, hit the lock, and it locks. Oh, that red means that it didn't lock properly. So usually I just pull it nicely closed, hit the lock, oh, if you hold a little bit on it, it works, it locks. So let's try that again. Hit the code in, it opens up, one green beep, and you're in. So if you pull just slightly on it, and it locks. So that's what we got here. Who makes this? Oh, this is a wonderful lock made by Defiant. They're pretty and they're whatnot. Thank you very much. You can turn off the video now.